See, we take it from here. See?
Okay. It looks like a very wet dough. Wow. Pretty high hydration.
Hey, 60. It was 65, and it was make Tuesday. I used today, so.
See you, Roberto.
See.
Beautiful.
The turkey is all the time outside the oven. You never turn the pizza inside the oven.
Okay. What is your reason for that? Just because it's...
Because you don't burn the pizza. So
Okay.
you're risky to burn the pizza.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's your pizza.
Thank you, Roberto.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Roberto, for your incredible pizza demo. I know we all learned a lot just by watching you create pizza. And you can find out more about Roberto by going to his website, robertocaporuscio.com. And if you're interested in Pizza Expo and learning about the pizza business, I urge you to go to pizzaexpo.com. And while you're here, if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe, Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.